Hey everyone, welcome back to English Learning Podcast Every Day. I'm Ella, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
That's right. If you're an English beginner, this episode is perfect for you. We'll show you how to talk about your daily life using easy English sentences. So, are you ready to learn and speak with us?
And remember, repeat after us whenever you can, okay? It will help you remember faster and sound more natural. Let's start from the morning.
In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? That's early. I usually wake up at 8. I love sleeping.
I know, you always say, just 5 more minutes, chuckling.
Yes, that's true. So everyone, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Good job.
Excellent. After you wake up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth.
Perfect. You can also say, I wash my face. These are great beginner phrases for your daily morning routine.
That's right. Keep practicing with us. The more you repeat, the faster you'll learn.
After I brush my teeth, I take a shower. Repeat after me. I take a shower. Nice and clear.
Very good. And when you finish your shower, you can say, I get dressed. Slowly. I get dressed.
Alla, what do you usually wear in the morning?
Oh, if I don't have to go anywhere, I wear something comfy, like a big t-shirt and soft pants. But if I'm going out, I wear jeans and a nice top.
Classic Ella, comfort first.
Yes, always. Okay, everyone, repeat this. I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Great job.
Now let's talk about breakfast. I love breakfast. I usually eat eggs and bread. Repeat after me. I eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
What about you, listener? What do you eat for breakfast? Try to answer in English.
Even if it's just one word, say it out loud. Speaking makes your English stronger.
I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. Actually, I need coffee every morning.
That's true. If Ella doesn't have coffee, she looks whispering, angry.
Hey! Okay, maybe just a little.
So repeat after me. I drink coffee in the morning.
Perfect. You're doing amazing. Keep speaking with us. This is how you become fluent step by step.
After breakfast, I go to work. Repeat after me. I go to work. Great!
And if you're a student, you can say, I go to school. Repeat, I go to school.
Very good. These are some of the most useful sentences for daily life. You'll use them every single day.
Yes! So when you leave home, you can also say, I leave home at 8 o'clock. Try that.
I usually leave at 8:30 because I like to take my time. I don't like to rush in the morning.
But I always run late. I wake up late, then I hurry, and sometimes I forget my phone.
Oh no, that's the worst. You can say, I forget my phone.
Yes, repeat it. I forget my phone. But I try not to.
All right. After you arrive at work or school, you can say, I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock.
Nice job. And you can also say, I study English at school.
I love that one. Say it with energy. I study English at school.
Amazing! Every time you repeat, your English becomes stronger. You're training your mouth, your ears, and your brain, all together.
Yes, learning English is not just about studying, it's about feeling it. When you speak, feel proud. You're doing something great for yourself.
I really love how our listeners are trying so hard. You're doing an amazing job. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Everyone does. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly. You can say, I make mistakes, but I keep learning. Repeat after me. I make mistakes, but I keep learning.
That's such a strong sentence. It shows confidence. Say it again with feeling. I keep learning.
So, Ella, when you're at work, what's the first thing you do?
I check my email. I also write messages to my team.
Perfect for our learners. Repeat after us. I check my email. I write messages to my team.
And if you study instead of work, you can say, I do my homework.
I used to hate homework when I was a student.
Same, but it helps me learn. So no matter what, keep practicing a little every day.
Oh, another good phrase. I talk to my friends. Repeat after me. I talk to my friends.
And don't forget, speaking English with your friends is one of the best ways to improve. Even if your English isn't perfect, speak anyway.
Yes, the more you talk, the more natural it feels. Repeat. I practice English every day.
You're doing wonderful. Keep your energy up. We're just getting started.
So after working or studying for a few hours, what do you usually do next, Ella?
I take a short break. I drink some water, stretch my body, and just breathe. That feels good.
That's important. Everyone, repeat after Ella. I take a short break.
Good job. You can also say, I relax for a few minutes.
And when it's lunchtime, I usually eat with my friends. Repeat after me. I eat lunch with my friends.
What you eat, Leo?
Sometimes rice and chicken, sometimes a sandwich. What about you?
I love noodles. Or sometimes salad when I'm trying to be healthy.
Trying, that's the key word. Everyone, repeat. I eat noodles for lunch.
Great! You can also say, I eat rice for lunch, or I eat a sandwich.
Keep practicing with your own words. Use your food, your routine. It makes English more real for you.
After lunch, I go back to work. Repeat after me. I go back to work.
I sometimes feel sleepy after lunch. I want to take a nap.
Oh, me too. Repeat. I feel sleepy after lunch.
If you feel tired, don't worry. Just say, I take a rest.
You're doing great. Keep repeating and speaking out loud. Every word you say brings you closer to fluency.
After a long day of work or study, I finish around 5 o'clock. It always feels so good to finish the day.
Oh yes, that moment when you close your laptop or your books, it feels amazing. Repeat after us. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
And if you're a student, you can say, I finish school at 3 o'clock.
What do you usually do after work, Leo?
I go for a walk in the park. I listen to music or sometimes just enjoy the fresh air. Repeat after me. I go for a walk in the park.
That's a nice routine. I sometimes meet my friends after work. We drink tea or talk about our day.
Oh, that sounds fun. Everyone, repeat. I meet my friends after work.
And if you like to stay home, you can say, I stay at home and watch TV.
Do you watch English shows, Ella?
Always. Watching English movies and shows is a great way to learn. You can say, I watch English movies.
And if you don't understand every word, that's okay. Just listen and enjoy. You'll learn naturally.
That's true. When you enjoy English, you learn faster.
So, let's say this together. I enjoy learning English every day.
Beautiful. You sound amazing. Be proud of yourself. You're growing with every single sentence.
So, Ella, after you finish meeting your friends or watching TV, what's the next part of your routine?
I cook dinner. I love cooking. It helps me relax. The smell, the sound of food, it makes me happy.
That sounds peaceful. Everyone, repeat after Ella. I cook dinner.
Sometimes I make rice and vegetables, sometimes pasta. When I'm too tired, I just order food.
Oh, yes, that's my favorite part. Ordering food. Repeat after me. I order food when I'm tired.
So true. And after dinner, I wash the dishes. It's not my favorite job, but I do it.
Nobody likes washing dishes, but it feels good when the kitchen is clean. Everyone, repeat. I wash the dishes after dinner.
Then I take a shower again before bed. It helps me feel fresh and clean. Repeat after me. I take a shower before bed. After reading or watching something, I start to feel sleepy. My eyes get heavy, and I yawn again and again. I think to myself, okay, it's time to sleep.
Yes, that's my favorite part of the day. I lie down, turn off the light, and feel so peaceful. Repeat after me. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Or you can say, I go to bed at 11 o'clock. It depends on your routine.
Before you sleep, do you check your phone, Ella?
Oh, yes, I always check my phone before bed.
I knew it. You always say, I'll just check for 1 minute, and then it's 1 hour later.
Yes, it happens every time. Everyone, repeat. I check my phone before bed.
But sometimes it's better to put your phone away and rest your mind. Sleep is important.
Yes, rest helps your body and your brain. You can say, I sleep for 8 hours.
When I sleep well, I feel so good the next morning. I wake up full of energy.
Exactly. You can say, I wake up feeling fresh and happy.
And that's the start of another beautiful day. Repeat. I start my day with a smile.
That's a lovely way to end your routine. Every day is a new chance to grow, to speak better, and to live better. You know, Leo, when I started learning English, I used to repeat small sentences like these every day, morning to night, again and again. It really helped me.
Really? So you practice like a daily routine too?
Yes, I used to say things like, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work, over and over until my mouth remembered the rhythm of English.
That's a smart way to learn. Listeners, you can do the same. Take these simple daily routine sentences and make them yours.
Exactly. Say them out loud while doing your real activities. For example, when you're brushing your teeth, say, I brush my teeth.
When you're eating breakfast, say, I eat breakfast.
Yes, it sounds funny, but it works. You connect your English with your real life.
That's how you stop translating and start thinking in English. Try it every day, little by little.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Say 1 sentence today, 2 tomorrow, 3 the next day. That's how progress happens.
And when you speak out loud, smile, because you're doing something beautiful for yourself, learning a new language.
Yes, and we are proud of you. Truly proud.
Keep repeating these phrases, practice your pronunciation, and use them in real life. That's the secret.
You can do it. We believe in you.
So, let's keep going together, step by step, every single day.
Before we end today's episode, let's quickly review everything we learned, step by step. Ready? Repeat with us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work or I go to school.
I eat lunch with my friends.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I cook dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I take a shower before bed.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I sleep for 8 hours.
I wake up feeling fresh and happy.
That's a full, simple, natural English daily routine. And you just practice it all with us.
Yes, you spoke, you listened, and you learned. That's real English practice. Be proud of what you did today.
And remember, every time you listen and repeat, your brain becomes a little more confident in English.
So keep coming back every day to learn and speak with us. We're here to help you grow, 1 sentence at a time.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe to English Learning Podcast every day.
Subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. Tomorrow's video is coming with more fun, easy English practice.
Thank you for listening, for repeating, and for believing in yourself.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.